Welcome to the program Improving Thinking Skills the M.M. Patel Way. In this program, we will understand concepts related to thinking skills, measurement of thinking skills using well-defined parameters, methods and techniques of improving thinking skills, and finally, exercises to improve thinking skills. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos. Having discussed the conceptual part of improving thinking skills and having undergone a few exercises, now we come to next exercise, that is part 04-07, use of common items. In this part, there are 30 exercises. Each exercise will take about 10 minutes time. You will be given a common item. You are required to write as many different uses as possible. Instead of conventional uses, think of many directions and unconventional uses also. The purpose is to generate creative ideas. For an example, a spoon can be used in study room, in garden, at public places, in laboratory, to manufacture and sell, in emergencies, to play music, to play games, for criminal purposes, and so on. You should write at least 8 uses in 10 different areas in 10 minutes time. This exercise will favorably affect your thinking speed and thinking variety as well as ability to relate. Naturally, all these skills put together will help you in being creative also. In all the exercises, you should write at least 8 uses in 10 different areas in 10 minutes time. Keep your mind open. Instead of conventional uses, think of many directions and unconventional uses also. The purpose is to generate creative ideas. Do not evaluate, judge, and bother for practicality. Let us start the exercises now. Exercise 1. The item is pen. Exercise 2. The item is cup. Exercise 3. The item is blackboard. Exercise 4. The item is chair. Exercise 5. The item is spoon. Exercise 6. The item is glass. Exercise 7. The item is table. Exercise 8. The item is slipper. Exercise 9. The item is button. Exercise 10. The item is belt. Exercise 11. The item is 2 rupee coin. Exercise 12. The item is needle. Exercise 13. The item is knife. Exercise 14. The item is pencil. Exercise 15. The item is necktie. Exercise 16. The item is handkerchief. Exercise 17. The item is lunch box. Exercise 18. The item is cloth bag. Exercise 19. The item is sari. Exercise 20. The item is ink dropper. Exercise 21. The item is plastic bottle. Exercise 22. The item is duster. Exercise 23. The item is chalk. Exercise 24. The item is paperweight. Exercise 25. The item is mobile. Exercise 26. The item is book. Exercise 27. The item is banana. Exercise 28. The item is rope. Exercise 29. The item is a bag of dry leaves. Exercise 30. The item is a set of lock and key. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on improving thinking skills.